This video has been sponsored by Surfshark. Guys, we've got some bad news for the Bentley, but some good news for the A45. So let's get on to the bad news on the Bentley in the next video, but today we've got good news for the A45. We've got some new parts and we're going to go fit them. Now the weather is against us today, so let's just get in the car and head up to Mallory Performance. Let's go. Now I like this car, I actually really do like it, but for a hot hatch with 360 brake, it's missing sort of the edge a hot hatch should have. So I'm hoping the modifications that we do today are really going to make it look a lot more aggressive. But we do have one mod slash fix that we could do right here, right now, before we get to Mallory Performance. So let's get into it. Welcome to Roadside Mechanics. What we're looking at today is this customer's previously mentioned that he is missing the puddle lights in the door for this A45 AMG. One of the viewers has kindly sent over some puddle lights for us, and all we're going to do is pop them in. And that will do ya. Thanks for watching another episode of Roadside Mechanics. Back on with the video.
I hit record a drop, you can't ignore it. I'm transforming now these cars and planes, I'm always boarding. Just out touring down in Charlotte like I play for Hornet.
Right, first mod. I know we said we was going to do the exhaust first thing, but it's not turned up. I've ordered it, but it's not turned up as of yet. First modification is the front grille. So this grille requires the bumper to be taken off so I can get to the back of it. Now on a lot of these things, sometimes I actually don't know how they're done, I just guess how they go. So one thing that I always do is look it up on Google or YouTube of how to do it, and then I sort of know a rough guide of how to do it. Wait, what are you wearing? I'm protected by Surfshark. What the hell is Surfshark? Were you just about to connect to public Wi-Fi without the use of Surfshark? Yeah. So let me just explain what Surfshark is, and that it is today's sponsor of the video. So Surfshark is a VPN, and a VPN is a virtual private network, which is a protection tool which guarantees instant online safety. Surfshark encrypts all the data sent via the internet, so no one can steal your passwords, no one can steal your videos, your photos, and see what you're doing online. It's also the only VPN to offer one account to use on an unlimited amount of devices. So here's a little trick Surfshark can do. Say you're on Netflix and you've been inspired by my A45 project, so you want to watch Ali G in the House. You search it on Netflix, you're in the UK and it's just not available. Click in the top right hand corner, change your browsing location to Canada, back onto Netflix, refresh it, search Ali G, and there it is. So next time you're browsing the internet and you're connected to a public Wi-Fi, make sure you're connected to Surfshark because it's a gold mine for hackers. So to get Surfshark today, click the link in the description box below, use code Armstrong, and you'll get yourself 85% off and 3 months extra for free. Go do it. And there's a 30-day money-back guarantee. No risk. Thanks, Matt. I'm now protected by Surfshark. Drinks break. Guys, if you've got this far in the video and that subscribe button underneath doesn't say subscribed, then make sure you click it. If it does say subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and do me a favour, go and follow Mallory Performance on Instagram for letting me use their unit, because that is a sound move. Let's have a drink and let's get back onto it. are we in agreement that that looks 10 times better than the standard grille? Right. Next mod, rear diffuser and some new exhaust tips. Lovely. Let's just get straight on it.
We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. Don't know if I can decipher how your mind works. Yeah, you leave me wondering what it's like to feel your skin. I will keep on.
So, rear diffuser is off. Obviously on the Mercedes they've got fake exhaust tips. They just sit right there. Check out. So these are the old exhaust tips, obviously. These are the new ones. They're almost like a smoked chrome. New diffuser is way more aggressive. Old diffuser.
You give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more. You leave me hanging, begging for more. Think that I'm addicted to this, can't resist to be a little risky and go for it, cause I want you close, I'm so exposed.
I am buzzing about that. That does actually look sick. Now the bit on the bottom, you know, the flat plate, that is removable. I'm a bit unsure about it at the minute, but it can come off, so I might try it without it on. Right, let's move on to the next modification. Before we get on to the next modification on the A45, I feel like we should just address what's behind me. You guys are car guys, I'm a car guy, and I feel like I'm just ignoring the stuff behind me, so let me just show you. RS3, this is having a turbo conversion, so it's going to be running hopefully over 500 brake, obviously all done at Malibu Performance. Then we've got BMW 140i being wrapped in Tiffany blue. This is Mallory's demo car, looking pretty mad. I feel like you guys should just see this. You'll probably all be interested in it. Inside the wrap room, we've got CLA 45. This one's being wrapped blue, from white to blue, and then obviously a bit of black on the door handles. It's not having the door shut, so you still do get the white inside, but I think it suits it quite nicely. Next mod, this one I know you lot have been waiting for. You guessed it. Big wing gang. So this is the spoiler, which will go on the top like that. But this one's going to be a little bit scary because it's going to require a bit of drilling. Let's get this on. So guys, I've just realised I got way too excited. This car in the future will actually be wrapped. So if I put the spoiler on, it's going to be incredibly hard to wrap around the spoiler. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to wrap the back bit of the roof gloss black to match the sunroof, and then the rear bit of the spoiler to match the rest of the roof. And that is done. It looks so much better how that blends into that, and that blends into the sunroof. Time to get the big wing on it. Let's do it. Right, I'm just gonna send it. Worst case, 2 holes in my wing. Best case, big wing. Doesn't that look sick? It's completely transformed the A45 with those 3 or 4 modifications to it. There's still a lot more to go on the A45, and we're only at the beginning, and if I make it home without any of it falling off, then we've done a good job. So join us next time in another video. in the future on the A45, whatever. See you in the next video. Peace out.